Okay, here's the current latest and greatest, and I've got the metal mouthpiece in there, so we're going to try playing it. So it sounds a little better. So yeah, it seems like it doesn't like the upper D for some reason, but here we go. Alright. Still think it sounds better, in my opinion. Still not perfect, but I think it's sounding a lot better than the first ones. Yeah, that upper D just has a really weird time, but I think it sounds a whole lot better. So yeah, some of the notes you have to kind of reach for them, but for the most part it seems like it's hitting the notes, and that upper D kind of sounds kind of funny. I don't know, but yeah, this one definitely sounds better than this previous one, I think, so I'm happy with that. I think the 0.1 layer height helped a lot.